It's Laserwash 4,000 times.
Which one are we doing?
I'm just gonna do, I guess, the premium, I guess.
Premium.
Is it the $10 one?
No, that's ultimate.
Where's premium?
Right there.
Can't see it.
$8.
$8.
The basic is 6, the basic plus is 7, premium is 8, and ultimate's 10.
All ultimate gives you is ultimate just gives you
Let's see, here's this here.
foam action cleaner.
Well, you get the mud buster. I don't need mud buster.
Let's just select whatever.
You should just see the $5 one.
No,
They don't have a 5.
Bradley just wants to make my video terrible.
Why would that? Why would that do anything?
Because you get less.
Yeah, I don't see. What's the difference between the
10.
ultimate and the super?
Yes.
Wait.
Probably ultimate has a rain it.
You don't get clear coat protectant with the.
Yes, you do. Super gets clear coat protectant.
No, I'm talking about the $10 one.
You get foam action cleaner, which is probably the same thing.
I don't think it is. Which one did you do that?
8.
And look at that, dry forward. Your dad
Will you
needs
go
rough window.
Oh, your window. Oh,
All right.
max height.
Oh wow, that was out of nowhere. Yep. Haven't been in one of these in a long time. That copyright?
You can't have music playing. My video's good.
Apparently this was replaced with like a one that follows the system.
I can't see.
There we go. Once the rinse goes, once the rinse gets to the windshield wipers, run them, because it will help clean them off. No. Once it starts doing laser wash. Alright? No. Once you hear oh good. Car is soaking, whatever that means.
You said soaking or something?
Soaking.
You see the sign, Cosmo Shop, I guess it was like an old barber sign. It said like, shave, haircut's 25 cents, the shave was like 5 cents.
Right.
Tooth pulled was 50 cents, and the hot bath was 10 cents. So, a barber used to be a dentist, a spa, and a barber all in one.
Yeah, and then prices went up. Here's the
Yeah.
okay. Apparently someone scratched out PDQ. Clear coat protected.
Oh, look at it spinning stuff.
There's the little sprays.
It's like that gnome.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's like the gnome.
Oh yeah, everyone's favorite. It's all colorful.
What are you doing? They had the gas light.
I'm guessing it's time for a clear coat protected.
Stop. Get out of my car.
You gonna drive to school next year? Or this year? Right?
No, remember he needs mom with him.
No, you have his license in a couple months.
I thought you had to be 17.
No. 16.
Oh, they must have changed that.
Oh, it's always been 16. You have a restricted one for 16. You can't drive after a certain time.
Ah.
Yeah, I think you don't drive from like 8 to 8:30 a.m.
Oh, wow. Another pass?
I don't know.
As long as it's after 7:30. I'm fine.
I think it's probably up until like midnight or something like that. I think it's up until like dark or something like that.
I think Brian Lounsbury, when he first got his license, he drove to Scouts one time. That was the dumb mistake. He couldn't drive to Scouts. He was all by himself. He had to leave his car there and have somebody take him home.
Oh, wow. What's happening? Spot free rents? Ugh. That's just nasty.
It's water. How's it nasty?
No, it's leaking.
It's water.
There's the crossed out Laserwash 4000.
Oh, this is our spot free rents.
Wow.
Probably you get Rain-X with the high one. And plus, Clear Coat Protector was on during like this.
She's gonna chew. They'd do a better job. Jason could have reported that sick.
You might have reported that.
Okay. What's happening?
Did you not see the one over when we were taking off the handcuffs? Didn't see.
Jason!
Drive forward.
What the heck is that?
Looks like it used to attach.
Yeah, it's like it's gonna break off here again.
I think this one used to attach because it has useless cable running there. But I guess it broke or something, so they decided to stop.
That cable doesn't attach. That's what keeps this runs the big thingy.
No, that's like extra cable from the dryer. I've seen it in videos. I guess they must have replaced it at some point.
They did put a bubble. A big bubble.
Where?
In the headliner.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Thanks.
Dryers did poorly because we barely even did anything. And there are the manual bays. Some manual bays. So thank you for watching and bye.